In this video, I will show you how to use Shogun with Shopify. So Shogun is a tool that helps you build highly converting online shopping pages for your Shopify and BigCommerce stores. Now in this video, I will show you how you can use it with Shopify. So before we get started, you first want to have your Shopify account open. If you don't have one yet, I'll leave a link down in the description that you can use to sign up. And then you will also need to get to this page right here. So I'll leave a link down in the description to this specific page. That is my affiliate link, but it's of no additional cost to you. So go and click on that link down in the description, and from there click on Get the Shopify app. Now because we already have a tab open where we are signed into our Shopify account, all you need to do is click install right there. And now you want to go and create your Shogun account. So I'll just click on continue with Google right here. So from here, what you want to go and do is click on try for free in the top right. And then here you want to click on continue with Google or enter your details here. And after you do that, you will get to this page right here. And from here, you can just click on Shopify. Now here enter your store name. So this is your store URL. So go to Shopify, then click settings in the bottom left. From here, go and copy this URL. So everything before the .myshopify.com and click copy. And then go back to Shogun and just paste that in right here. Then click on connect with Shogun. Now you are being redirected to Shopify. From here go and click on update, and now here you can pick your plan. So when you bill monthly, the plans range from $39 per month to $499 per month, but you can also bill annual to save 20%. Now you can see what is included in each of these plans. So you can see that the difference between these plans is also these MTUs. So these are monthly tracked users. So if you hover over it here, you can see a monthly tracked user is counted for each unique shopper that visits any page with an active A/B test, a targeted experience, or views an AI generated blog post in a given month. So that's what's also really great about Shogun, the A/B testing, so that you can test out product pages, see which one converts best, and I'll show you how you can set all of this up. Now in this example, I'll just start my free trial for the build plan right here, which if you bill annually is $31 per month. So go and click on start free trial and you will get a 10-day completely free trial using the link in the description. Now you can always choose to still turn on annual billing right here if you want. And then in order to get started, enter your payment details, your business address and your address right there. So then after you click on start free trial, you will get to this page right here. So here you can create a new Shogun page. So you have standard, product, collection and blog post. Now I'm going to create a product page for this one. Now once you have connected your store, you will see all of your products here. So for this example, I will take this one and click import page. Now for the page layout options, you can do a custom layout or a layout from a Shopify theme. So you can use your theme's default product page template with customizable drop zones. Now you can also create a completely custom product page layout. I'm going to use the layout from the Shopify theme, but of course you can also do a custom one. So then click import one product page. Now here you will see your product page. So this is the template from the Shopify theme. Now here you will see that you can simply drop in elements. So for the elements you can click on plus right here, and here you will see a bunch of different elements that are offered inside of Shogun. So you have structure elements, content elements, Shopify elements, forms and social elements. So you can see each of these. And for example, if I want to add in a structure element right here, for example, I want to add a container underneath this, then here I'm going to drag in the container, and now you will see the container. Now inside of one of these containers, you can add a bunch more stuff. You can add a main right here, so entire container can be clickable, and basically you can just add whatever you want right here. For example, you can make this a testimonial page, you can add in animations, or anything else you want. Now for example, I will add a background color to this specific container. So you can enter a hex code right here, or you can use this color picker. For example, if I want this kind of bluish color, then I'll pick this right here. Now you can even do a gradient. So for example, if I want a gradient, then you can pick that right here as well. So then you will see that now it goes from this color to this color. So that's pretty cool. So I'll keep it like this. Now you can add an overlay. Then you can add in animations. You can add a mouse over animation. So for example, bounce, flash, pulse. You have a couple of them. Now for example, I will use the fade in down one right here. Now there's also an option in Shogun that you can create a section with AI. So if you click create section with AI right here, you can select the type of section right here. So you have a couple of them. For example, if I select 2-column content right here, then you can describe in more detail what section you would like to create. So write exactly what you want here, but I'll just use one of the example prompts. So for example, I'll use this one and click use example, and then click generate section. And now it will actually be generated using AI. So now you can see it here. Now this product is named soap. So you can see it added in soap image, but if you click on the image, you can then also add in your own image. Now for this text, for example, if you want to change the color of this text, then you can click on the text, then go to main here, and then you can actually select the text color. So for example, I made this one white now. So you can just go and edit this. Now I don't really like this background, so I'll change the background to something else. For example, like this. Now here in the block library menu, you can actually find a bunch of blocks that you can just drag in. For example, a Black Friday promotion, some kind of a banner right here, and they have quite a lot of them. So for example, if I want to add this sale banner for skincare, I can then just drag this in anywhere I want, for example right there, and now you will see it. So buy 2 get 1 free, and you now have this thing right here. Now you have more categories, so these are all blocks, but you have banners, featured boxes, you have FAQs, product sliders, and value props. Now for example, if I want to add in a product slider right here, let's say I want to add this one. Now this usually would be added to your homepage, but for example, if I add this one in right here, you can then see this product slider. So it's a standing phone charger, and then you can just add whatever you want, and of course you can also add in your own image and just change that. Now in the left here you also have snippets, so you have your snippets. So in order to use these snippets you need to start a free trial. Now here in the layout you just have a quick overview of the layout of this page. So you can click on anything and then you can actually edit it right there. Now what's really good is to do an A/B test. So if you click A/B testing, you can then click turn on A/B testing. And now here you can actually go and configure the tests, you can manage the variants and publish and analyze it, so then you can see what converts the best. Now here at the top you can preview it for desktop, laptop, tablet and mobile, so then you can see what it will look like right here. So this is the original page, but then here you can also click add your first variant, and that's basically one of the A/B tests. Now when we head out of this page right here, so out of the editor, you can see that here we have our A/B test, and you can basically see the traffic, how much goes to that specific page, and you can basically see the performance. Now here when you click create targeted experience, you can actually create a targeted experience. So then you can choose a page right here. Now this one is not published yet, but then you can use targeted experience to deliver personalized experience to different segments of your audience, powered by Shogun segments. Then you will see the SEO right here, so you can see the SEO performance. But now once we have really edited our page, we can head over to our pages and templates here. Then here I have this page, and now what I can do is just open up this page, and if I want this to be published onto my actual Shopify store, then what you can simply do is in the top right click on publish test, and then here you can click on publish test now. And now you need to start your free trial in order to actually publish the pages right now. But if I click start free trial right here, you can see that in order to actually do the content scheduling right here, you need to get the grow plan here. This is also their recommended plan, but now you can see after we clicked on publish and now head over to our Shopify store, you can now see that this page is active right here, and we now have this animation, this block has been added, this element, and also this product slider, so that has all been imported now. And now there's basically an A/B test going on with the different pages that you added. So you can just see what works best in Shogun right here. If you head out of this page, it should say right now test in progress. And then if you click on these 3 dots and then click analytics, you will see the total sales and conversion rates and everything like that right here. But if you head over to A/B tests, you will then see both of your pages. So I have the original one and the B one. And there you can see the amount of sessions, the conversions, the percentage and the improvement. So then you can just set one of them to active, and you can just keep on doing A/B tests and really optimize your conversion rate for your product pages. So that's why Shogun is such a good tool to use. because even if your conversion rate goes up by only 1%, that will make you a lot more money. So then you can also use their templates right here. If you go to templates, you can see you need to upgrade your account to access product page templates. Now this can be really useful because they have some amazing templates, and I do actually recommend using those templates, but if you just want to try it yourself, then now you know how to do that. But I would personally actually get the Grow plan right here, since here you actually get the product page templates, and these are already really well optimized, so that will save you a bunch of time and testing when you are trying it all yourself. So just go and create your pages in Shogun, and again click on the link down in the description if you don't have a Shopify account yet, and then open up your Shopify account and then click on the Shogun link down in the description, and that will take you to this page right here where you can click get the Shopify app or click try for free in the top right. So now you know how to use Shogun with Shopify. I've showed you how you can actually connect the two, how you can upload the pages, how you can set up A/B tests, and some basic features about the editing, so how you can add in a block or an element, or how you can change a color, stuff like that. So just go to try it out yourself, and again I do recommend to get the actual plan where you get the product page templates to save yourself a bunch of time and just get the best templates out there. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.